Have you ever tried telling someone not to do something, and they immediately did it? That's not coincidence. That's reverse psychology, one of the most powerful mind tricks used in human behavior. Let's explore how people use it to influence decisions, trigger emotions, and control actions, without ever forcing you. So, what is reverse psychology? It's when someone tells you the opposite of what they actually want, knowing your brain will react by doing what they really wanted from the beginning. Sounds sneaky, right? But it's used more often than you think. Example 1. Don't touch this. Suddenly, your curiosity wakes up. You touch it, just because you were told not to. Why? Because human brains hate losing control. When someone tries to limit your freedom, your mind reacts by doing the exact opposite to reprove independence. This is called psychological reactance. Example 2. You probably won't understand this. Instantly, you feel challenged. You try harder, not because you care, but because they triggered your ego. Example 3. Marketing trick. Brands say, "This product is not for everyone," or "limited people can handle this challenge." Your mind thinks, "I'm not like others. I can handle it," and you buy it. Okay, so when someone pulls away and says, "Maybe I'm not the one you really want," you suddenly feel the need to prove your interest, even if you weren't sure before. So, why does reverse psychology work so well? Well, it's because humans really crave freedom. We just hate being told what to do. The forbidden always seems more powerful, doesn't it? And honestly, the challenge kind of activates our ego. Plus, our emotions usually make decisions before logic even gets a chance. Now, how can you protect yourself? First, pause before reacting emotionally. Then, ask yourself, do I want this, or am I being pushed into it? Try to recognize those moments when someone is making you prove something. Don't let your ego make the choice for you. And if someone says you can't, remember to think logically, not emotionally. Here's how you can use it positively. Reverse psychology isn't always toxic. Parents use it on their kids, coaches use it to trigger effort, and honestly, even we use it on ourselves. Like, when you say, "Maybe I'm not strong enough for this," your mind kind of fires back with, "Watch me." So, just a final thought. Reverse psychology is powerful. It can manipulate you, or it can motivate you. The real difference is awareness. Once you understand it, people can't control you,